Hello and welcome on this Kaizen's tutorial. In this video, I will show you the page Aircraft Details. In the dashboard you will find all the general information about the aircraft, such as registration number, manufacturer, model type or owner. You will also find the time since new of the aircraft, of its engines, and the next limits, day left, hours left or cycle left. Then there is the Flight tab or Flight Technical Log tab, where there is all the flights of the aircraft. Then there is the Cardex tab, where you can find all the limits of your aircraft. If the limit left is in red, it means it has been reached. If it's in orange, it means it is below the horizon you have defined. Then there is the Limits tab, where you will find all the limits of the aircraft, calendar limits, time limits or cyclic limits. And after that there is the Technical Documents tab, where you will find all AD, ASB, service letters or service information of the aircraft. Then you will find the additional works done or to do on the aircraft, the previous inspection, issues, aircraft parameters, and the traceability of all operations performed on the aircraft. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, send us an email at support@skyzen.fr.